going to talk about our Nitro 5 laptop right now, and this is it right here. The Nitro 5 laptop does have support for HN Intel Core i7 processors. In addition to that, you've got graphics up to the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 10 series, specifically up to 1050 Ti, and support with Acer Nitro Sense. In addition to that, you can go up to, I believe, a good 32 gigabytes of RAM if you want to give it a little bit of extra kick. Again, this is the Nitro line of devices, so they're not going to be quite as powerful as some of our Predator devices, but they are very competent gaming systems on their own as well. As far as design goes, they have a black and red design with more of a carbon fiber print look on the front, and here on the top as well. As far as our ports go, we have support right here for USB 2.0 and on the side, USB 3.0, HDMI, and USB Type-C and SD card if you happen to need an SD card support. In the back, we've got our cooling heat sinks to distribute heat throughout the system and keep GPU throttling a little bit lower than what you'd expect. This is our Nitro 50 desktop. These have a black and red, very aggressive, sort of fun, neat-looking design. They're very sharp. Inside the Nitro 50 desktop, we do have support for HN Intel Core i7 Plus processors and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 10 series graphics. You also have up here on the top a Qi charging station. So if you are playing a game, you want to put your phone down, you can put your phone right on the top, charge your phone, pick it back up after the match has ended. If we move slightly over, you wouldn't be complete without a display. This is the VG0 display, and it has a wide range of resolutions. You can go from Full HD up to 4K. But if you want to keep a high refresh rate, say 144 Hertz, you're going to want to stick to Full HD. In addition to that, there are variations in the sizes. So if you want to go to 21 inch, possibly up higher, 27 inch, and so on, you can do that. Just check which one fits your needs, and that's the one you should definitely go with. The monitor itself has a very interesting design at the bottom. You can see the actual arms extending from the stand. Very black, very red, aggressive and sharp. It's a good looking display. So this is obviously only 60 Hertz. So the monitor itself does have a zero frame design. That means it's practically bezel-less, so you get more screen space for your actual gaming. Our Nitro RG0 display. It's Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS with Radiant FreeSync, up to 74 Hz refresh rate. And one thing you might not notice initially is that this is an ultra-thin display with a zero frame design. That means it's practically bezel-less. But if you look at it here from the side, you can see just how thin this display is. So if you want a neater, clean-looking design for your wherever your gaming environment is, your game den, the RG0 is a perfect fit. The stand itself is very sturdy. You can see here from the bottom, all metal, and you can move it around, it's not going anywhere. This is the Nitro RG0 display.